Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yashasvi and from where do I even start this video? I know again I did it. It's been almost 1 month since I uploaded any video, and I think this is the longest that I haven't uploaded anything on YouTube since past 7 months. But finally here I am. So let me tell you from start. So this year we were planning to get the renovation done of our home, but then Corona happened, and due to all the situation, we kept it, we postponed it. So, but I really needed a different background for my videos and photos. So then I thought of doing a temporary setup in my bedroom. So what I did was I thought I will temporarily paint the walls with different colors and make a different setup for all the four walls, so that I could from so where I could shoot my videos and take pictures. So I finally did it, and I it feels like I'm standing in my brand new bedroom. So yeah, I painted all the four walls. Also, I know this might not be the most interesting or creative video, but please bear with me this time, because my mind wasn't at the right place when I did all of this. So I am trying to get back to my old self, and will start uploading videos regularly. But till then, please stick by my side. I need your support more than ever now. So let's just start the video. So I started by sanding all the four walls, and then I decided to spray paint them, which kind of was a fail, but then obviously I found the alternative and did it. So let's just see what I did. So the next thing that we are gonna do is spray paint the wall. This is temporary until we get the renovation done after the pandemic ends. So I got this paint from a local shop, and it's priced at 200, and I got it for 180. And if you want, I can attach the link to it in my description box below if I find it online. So before using it, you need to shake it well for 1 minute, and let's start. So as you all saw that the spray paint method was a total failure, because only this much part has been done and the bottle is already over. It was easy to paint with the spray paint, but if you want to paint the whole wall, then you need to buy so many spray bottles, and it would cost you much more money. So it might go out of your budget. So I'm gonna stick to the basic painting method, and I bought this white color from Asian Paints. So now I will paint the wall with this paint, and let's start. So I have added 30% water in 1 liter of paint, and I think it's gonna take much more than just a coat of paint, as you can see. looks so satisfying and I'm really enjoying the process. I hope it turns out good. I'll do one coat of paint and then I'll leave it for 3 to 4 hours to dry completely, and then I will go for the second coat of paint. Don't judge me if I'm doing it wrong because it's my first time and I'm still learning, and I am enjoying the process of learning too. So if I make some mistakes, it's good for you, no? You'll know what not to do. So far it's looking good, and I'm hoping that by the third coat we will get the perfect desired result. You will know by the end of this video. So I'm done doing the first coat of the paint, and that's how my wall looks right now. And there's paint all over my body. That's how it looks right now with the first coat of paint. It's still wet, so I am going to wait for 3 to 4 hours for the wall to become dry. Once the first coat is dry, we are gonna do the second coat, and I think that much would be enough because it's already looking better. So it's been 2 hours and the paint is almost dried, and that's how it looks right now. So I think we are ready to do the second coat of it. So yeah, it's all dried up. So let's start with the second coat of the paint. Okay guys, so it's day 2 and the wall has completely dried up. I got so tired yesterday that I wasn't able to film it. I just had my dinner and went to sleep. But the wall is looking great till now, and so today I'm going to paint this wall right here. So let's start. Can you see the difference between these two walls? It's looking so good, and I can't believe I did it. Okay guys, so it's day 3 and I'm done painting the 2 walls and they are all dried up, and I am really tired today. My body is hurting like, so I think I'll rest today. I don't have much to do today, so I think I'll just paint the window grills. And I was a little bit confused if I should paint it if I should paint it white or black, but then I decided to go for black color, so I will paint the grills today. That's how the wall is looking right now when it's all dried up, and that's the second wall, and that's the window. So I'm done sanding the grills with the sandpaper, and now I'll start painting it. So we bought this masking tape that we're gonna stick to the edges of the grill so that the paint won't get spilled on the white wall. So and it's for 40 rupees, I guess. Hey everyone, so I don't know what day it is because I took a break for a few days due to some reasons, but now I'm back in the base, and for now two of the walls are done, which is one is this one and another is the opposite wall, and the next wall that I will paint is this one. I don't know if you can see or not. Yeah, can you see? This wall isn't done and this one is complete, and yeah, all the paints are lying there. So the so it's gonna take 2 more days to paint the rest of the two walls, and I'm thinking of painting the door too. So I also did a poll on my Instagram stories whether should I paint all the four walls with the same color or go for some different color for the fourth wall, and more than 97 or 95% of you said that I should paint the fourth wall with a different color. So I took your advice and I chose grey color for the fourth wall, and I've already planned everything that I need to do after painting the wall. Like I still need to shop few things like for my closet organization. So let's get started. So I'm kind of feeling excited and nervous at the same time because I'm doing everything on my own, and I'm kind of feeling proud of myself. So we will start with cleaning this wall. So I'm finally done painting the third wall, and that's how it looks. Wait, I'll show you with the back camera. So that's how the wall looks right now. I even painted the shelves because I didn't wanted it to be of another color, and that's the window which obviously we are gonna replace at the time of renovation. But for now I painted it white, and you can still see those paper cuts, and I'm gonna hide it with something. I still haven't planned what to do with it. So yeah, the third wall is also done, and now this is the last wall that I'll be doing today. So I'm gonna start painting the fourth wall with gray color that I chose, and let's see how it looks. So the next first thing that I'll do today is tape these corners with masking tape so that the gray paint won't get on the white wall. So I'm done masking the corners of the wall, and I've also covered the floor with newspaper because I don't want to stain them. And so let's start with the painting. First do a small patch on the wall and see how it looks, because I have no idea how the actual color is gonna look in the wall. So let's see. I need to add some water in the paint, but yeah, it's looking good. So we are done with the first coat of the paint, and that's how the wall looks right now, and I am quite satisfied by the outcome. And let's see how the final color will look. I'll start with the second coat once this wall is dry, and I'm also planning to paint the door with the same gray color. So yeah. So I'm done painting the second coat of this on this wall, and it's all dried up, and that's how it looks. I love it. Okay, it didn't work. So everything is done now, the wall painting and all. The only thing that's left is painting the door, and I went yesterday to buy the paint. I bought a similar color to this wall because I didn't wanted to add much color to this wall. So for today I'll paint the door, and yeah, there are few places where I spilled the gray color on the white wall, so I need to do the correction. So for that too I bought extra white paint. So that's the update for today, and hopefully this whole process will be over by today itself, because I can't wait one more day to upload this video because it's already been too long. And let's just start the work. The first thing that I'm going to do is sand the door with sandpaper and then start painting it. Yeah. So that's how my room currently looks. I've removed all the furniture, and there are random stuffs lying on the shelf. And yeah, it's an empty canvas that I'm going to fill with so many beautiful pieces, decor pieces, and whatnot. I am super excited for this makeover, and hopefully it will turn out the way I want to. So yeah. So that was it. That's all I did till now. Everything is empty. I just have one bed right here, and I still need to plan few things and buy few more items for decoration and storage purpose, which I will show you in my upcoming video. So for the makeover part, I will upload the makeover video in two parts. So in the first video I will be doing two walls, and another video will be covering the rest of the two walls. And yeah, just because I can't do it all in one video, so yeah. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it a little bit. So let me know what you think. How did I do it? And if I inspired you in some way to do this on your own, let me know. And I will see you soon with my new video. Hopefully very soon. So yeah, bye.